Hi guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Trading Twilight and I am Ankita Agnihotri, and today we have Nifty's expiry. So very volatility and volatile move you can capture in this Nifty. At present, like Nifty is making a bearish price action, but maybe there is a strongest support which is 25,150 and it is above the support. So try to find opportunity of bullish pattern, because if Nifty is gonna break this low, then only you can try to make shorts. Otherwise you have to plan for any green candle and above this support 25,175, this would be the label. So till then it is above the support, so you need to try to plan for the bullish pattern, which is having a potential. It will be going to touch 25,400. This would be my target. So according to 15-minute trend line, it will be going to touch this support, which is 25 resistance 25,400. So this would be my I will be gonna book at here. So where our risk is very low and the price action will be going to change, and this will be where supply will be going to change into demand. So this is a very strongest demand, so I don't think it will be going to give you any sort of breakdown from that particular point. So you have to try to market is in buy on dip on the higher time frame, so you need to try to find opportunities where you will be going to make longs only at this particular support. Till then it is 25,175. You need to make longs, and a very low SL which is 25,150, you can take your SL and go with the like particular pattern. So I will be make profit at this particular support to resistance, which is 25,400. This would be my target, and India VIX is somewhere around 11 3.34. So maybe once volatile move towards the highs is possible. So do not go blindly on the upside. I'll make sure it will be going to give you any confirmation in the supports like 25 175. It is not going to be give a breakdown, then only we will be trying to make longs. According to 3 minute, you can switch to 3 minute, and if it any green candle is going to be made at here, so we will be definitely making long. Till now it's not giving me any green candle at here. It has given these green candles, but the like a follow-up candle is not there. So we have to find firstly a follow-up candle, then we will be going to make sure the like confirmation of the buyers, then definitely one move towards the high above, which is 25,400. We will be gonna book our profit. This is a perfect buy on dip setup going to be activated. So wait for the candle to give a close above this 25, like a green candle going to be close at here for the confirmation, then definitely one move we will be going to see. And crude oil is also very like some people ask me, give me analysis of crude oil as well. So I'll just give you one analysis, which is again this crude oil is making a some kind of rejection at here. So according to the like you have to make 30 minutes, switch to 30 minutes, then you will be definitely it's making a sale on rise pattern at here. So for the support of this very 50 to 100, you can make short. 75 points down the line you can capture in this crude oil especially. So this is a one swing you can capture in crude oil. Right now I can see down, and this is one of the like highest observation that when crude oil is going down, then definitely our market is having a potential. Like yesterday only it having last 2 days it is having a negative news. Till now market has like give a support and do not giving a sailing at that particular support, and it is continuously making a higher high. So like by today in the morning only it has making a new high, which is 25,310. So which is also making a sense that market have a potential and it's not ready to give a downside market. So firstly, whenever market ready to give a like a upside, so it's always used to give a like one false move. So this false move is in the selling side. The right move will be coming into the picture, which is in buy on dip, and will be going to grab by this opportunity, and it has give a confirmation. Good. One green candle is there in according to 5 minutes. Let's move to the 3 minute. I have already suggested to you. I will make entry according to 3 minute. So this green candle's high, I will definitely, my limit order is going to be punch 25 200 above. Till then it's not making any above this candles. I will be going to just wait for the confirmation. It has not confirmed right now. So 175 maybe it will be going to distort, and then 175 will be going to recover. Then sale, maybe the supply zone is again acting as a demand zone. Then definitely I'll make a move towards the high is possible. Buy on dip is only is there. So, and if you go with this, like this is my like angel ones, where like 25 300 you can check on in particular resistance. Like maybe it will be going to give you a beautiful move towards the high, like this 13 rupees premium. If it is going to again make any like sense at 13 rupees, just mark this level. If it is going to again give you any move towards 13 rupees above, so you can make a entry of day low as your SL, and then you can look for this will be going to touch 38 rupees. This would be the best risk to reward, and I will be looking for particularly. And if you really want to like no don't you need to like going to be a theta decay premiums, so you have to be switch to 95 200. This would be the best in the money, so you can look for this particular premium. So maybe above this 48 you can look for this premium, and day low till now it's not giving you any entry in this premium as well. So wait for the entry and candle closing. 38 rupees maybe your like SL, and above 38 40 rupees you can make your entry in this premium. So particularly this is a kind of buy on dip, and make very low like kind of like 50% you can book at here, and then 50% you can trail for the further conditions. So it is again 25 175 it has reached, and now any green candle will be going to found now. Then the confirmation will be going to having a particular that it is a demand zone. So bias has to confirm this particularly, then I will be making entry. I'll not in a hurry to make position, because if it is not making any like entry or confirmation, then definitely I'll not look to for a buying opportunity. I'll only look according to the price action. So price action till now it's bearish, but we will be going to according to the higher time frame it's bullish. So one opportunity this is the reason I will be looking for only for the upside at this particular support, not looking for the, and this 213 is 61 retracement level as well. So definitely one move towards the day high above is possible, which is having a 80% probability and potential